Hi, welcome to Make It with Alice. We talk about communication on this channel, and let's get right to it with your speaker and author bio. So if you're a speaker, author, MC, and you're out there speaking, it doesn't matter if you're introducing your own material or the material of someone else, always have your bio ready. Why? When you're interviewed, I know you're interviewing, but when you're interviewed, you will be asked to submit a bio. A press release kit will also have a bio. If you're writing for a magazine, you will also have your bio. And your bio is your signature. It's not your resume. It's not your CV. Your bio is no more than 3 to 5 sentences, and it always has to have these elements. Your title, who are you? What themes or topics you cover or are about to cover? Where are you based? Your credentials. Are you a published author? Where did you get your degree? Those are important. All of these elements have to be in there. And you could squeeze a sentence that identifies your personality or perhaps something interesting about you. You could always cut that sentence out later. But it's very important to have these essential elements in your bio so people right away understand what you do. Less is more. So in my bio, I'm going to read to you the difference between my previous bio from 7 years ago, because it always changes. So make sure to always update your bio. Alice, first of all, super tiny. Can't read it. Cannot read it. So I got to go now into the back of the book because I cannot read what I wrote. Alice Litkova is a futurist, startup coach, and technology consultant who was raised in New York City. She's an international media personality and speaker, co-founder of New Economies Limited to accelerate the adoption of emerging technologies such as blockchain, fintech, artificial intelligence, blah, blah, blah. Too long, guys. Alice completed a writing course at NYU, and I'm just giving you a summary because this is way too long for a bio. It should be 3 to 5 sentences. She received her master's in public administration at Carnegie Mellon. She was part of a tech initiative, Metro Lab Network. Doesn't really relate to this story at all. The bio has to relate to your story. As a freelancer, journalist, entrepreneur, she spent a decade writing articles on technology, blah, blah, blah. She was published in Forbes, blah, blah, blah. I won't finish it because it's too long. Versus this one. Much bigger, guys, okay? Much more digestible. Alice Litkova is a literary fiction author of short stories and novels, including Pretty Girl Complex, book that is related to this. Her writing is intimate, psychological, and emotionally resonant, exploring love, womanhood, and fragile beauty of human connection. My tone, my voice, what I talk about. Based in Valencia, Spain, my location, she's part of the Club Hemingway writing community with work published in Club Hemingway VLC Anthology Volume 1, What I Do, What Community I'm Part of, Where I've Been Published. Her short story, Chocolate Road, was nominated for the Chrysalis Brew Poetry Writing Award. Credentials. Very quickly, you know what I do, where I am, and what I focus on. So I hope this was helpful. If you're writing your bio, please reach out because I'm definitely going to be able to help you with that. I have room for 2 more students for the month of December. I'm going to leave a link where you can sign up for a free trial so you can get a little bit about little feedback for free. It's 30 minutes, and if you want to sign up, you can book the full hour. So we end, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. We end each episode with do the best that you can every day.